Hey, welcome back to the channel. You know, the purpose of our channel is to help more chiropractors be super successful in business and life, financially, and help more people. So today I'm going to talk about a book that I've really fallen in love with. I read it with some of my doctors a few years ago. We're going to read it with the doctors now. And the book's called Captivate by Vanessa Van Edwards. And she opens up the door to several things we need to know in practice. If you want to work on how you communicate with patients, how you connect with patients, how you do networking events, this book unpacks a lot of that stuff for you on how to interact with people in a way that's received very well. So one thing she talks about is how to read expressions. She actually has a quiz. You can go through and take a quiz of what does this expression mean, what does this mean, what does this mean. And I don't know about you, I think you'll be surprised how often you get it wrong. Number two is where are you comfortable meeting people? So are you comfortable with the pool? Are you comfortable with the bar? Are you comfortable with, I don't love cocktail parties where I have to walk around. I don't enjoy that. So it helps you realize who you are in the process. Number three is if you go to a networking event, be it, be it any BNI or any place that people are mingling around, where's the best place in the room to stand to get people's attention when they're ready, willing, and able to give you their attention to talk to you? Otherwise, you'd be like me, stand in the back corner watching people as they come in and go out. Number three is what questions can you ask and engage the conversation? Number four is how do you hack the appreciation matrix for your staff, for your team, for everybody else? How do you hack that matrix? So again, the book is Captivate by Vanessa Van Edwards. She also has lots of cool stuff online on YouTube, interviews she did. So watch this and check this out. I think it's going to save you and help your practice. I'm Dr. Lowe. We'll talk to you soon.